Alright, let's dive in. Ever felt like your service business is a chaotic whirlwind? You're juggling calls, scribbling appointments on scraps of paper, and somehow, things still slip through the cracks. You know that sinking feeling when you realize you've double-booked or completely forgotten a client? Yeah, we've all been there. Now, imagine this. A world where your schedule is crystal clear, your team knows exactly where to be and when, and your clients are consistently impressed with your organization. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it doesn't have to be. Today, we're going to tackle a crucial piece of that puzzle. How to schedule jobs on Jobber. Jobber, for those of you who might be new, is a powerful software designed to streamline operations for service businesses. And one of its core strengths is its scheduling functionality. It's the key to transforming that chaotic whirlwind into a well-oiled machine. But here's the thing, just having the tool isn't enough. You need to know how to use it effectively. That's where we come in. So, let's get down to brass tacks. You've got a new job, or maybe you're rescheduling an existing one. How do you get it into Jobber and make sure everyone's on the same page? First, let's talk about the different ways you can create a job in Jobber. You can start from a quote, a request, or even create a job directly. This flexibility is key because different businesses have different workflows. If you've already created a quote and it's been accepted, you're in luck. Jobber makes it incredibly easy to convert that quote into a job. Simply navigate to the quote, and you'll see a button that says, Convert to Job. Click it and boom, you're halfway there. Now you'll be taken to the job details page. This is where you'll input all the essential information. Pay close attention here because accuracy is paramount. First, you'll want to confirm the client details. Make sure the name, address, and contact information are correct. Jobber often pulls this information directly from the quote, but it's always good to double-check. Next, you'll need to set the job title and description. Be specific and clear. This is what your team will see, so make sure it's easy to understand. For instance, instead of just lawn care, you might write spring lawn maintenance, mowing, edging, and fertilizing. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter, scheduling. You'll see a section for Schedule. Here, you'll have several options. First, you'll need to select the date and time. This is where you'll specify when the job is scheduled to take place. Jobber offers a calendar view, making it easy to see your availability and avoid conflicts. You'll also need to set the duration of the job. This is crucial for accurate scheduling and resource allocation. If you know the job will take approximately 2 hours, enter that information. Next, you'll need to assign the job to a team member. This is where Jobber's team management features come into play. You can select the appropriate team member from a drop-down menu. If you have multiple team members, you can even assign the job to multiple people. Now, here's a pro tip. Use Jobber's Recurring Jobs feature. If you have clients who require regular service, such as weekly lawn maintenance or monthly cleaning, you can set up recurring jobs. This will save you a ton of time and ensure that your clients receive consistent service. To set up a recurring job, simply select the recurring option in the schedule section. You'll then be able to specify the frequency of the job, such as weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. You can also set the start and end dates for the recurring job. Another powerful feature is Jobber's route optimization. If you have multiple jobs scheduled for the same day, Jobber can help you optimize your route. This will save you time and fuel, and it will also help you get more done in a day. To use route optimization, simply select the jobs that you want to include in the route. Jobber will then calculate the most efficient route and provide you with turn-by-turn directions. Now, let's talk about how to reschedule a job. Things happen, and sometimes you need to change the date or time of a scheduled job. Jobber makes this easy. To reschedule a job, simply navigate to the job details page and click the Edit button. You'll then be able to change the date, time, and duration of the job. You can also reassign the job to a different team member if necessary. Once you've made the necessary changes, be sure to save them. Jobber will automatically notify your team members and the client of the changes. Communication is key when it comes to scheduling. Jobber offers several features that help you communicate with your team and your clients. You can send automated notifications to your team members when a job is scheduled or rescheduled. You can also send automated notifications to your clients to remind them of their upcoming appointments. Jobber also allows you to send custom messages to your team members and clients. This is useful for providing additional information or instructions. Now, let's address some common scheduling challenges. One common challenge is double booking. This happens when you schedule 2 jobs for the same time slot. Jobber's calendar view can help you avoid double booking. Another challenge is scheduling conflicts. This happens when a team member is unavailable at the scheduled time. Jobber's team management features can help you avoid scheduling conflicts. Finally, some businesses struggle with managing recurring jobs. Jobber's recurring jobs feature can help you automate this process. Here are a few more tips for effective scheduling in Jobber. Use color coding to differentiate between different types of jobs. This will make it easier to see your schedule at a glance. Use tags to categorize your jobs. This will make it easier to filter and search for jobs. Use the Notes section to add additional information about the job. This is useful for providing instructions or reminders to your team members. Regularly review your schedule to ensure that it is accurate and up-to-date. Train your team on how to use Jobber's scheduling features. This will ensure that everyone is on the same page. Remember, effective scheduling is not just about filling slots on a calendar. It's about optimizing your resources, improving your efficiency, and providing a better experience for your clients. By using Jobber's scheduling features effectively, you can take control of your schedule and transform your service business. You'll be able to reduce stress, improve efficiency, and provide a better experience for your clients. So, go ahead, dive into Jobber, start scheduling those jobs, and watch your service business thrive. You'll be amazed at the difference it makes. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.